Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden. Hi everybody. Here in Punta Gorda is a beautiful weather. You don't believe it how nice it is. I wish everyone was here. It's like 70 and nice. It's breeze passing by. I mean, it's like paradise right now. But not the whole year. In September, August and September, oh my God, it's very bad, humid, hot, and rainy. So anyway, but right now it's heaven here. Anyway, what I'd like to talk about today is very, very important for us. I mean, all us that watch my channel. This is a desert rose that I planted about I will say maybe 40 months ago, okay, in the cactus soil from a Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever, okay, in the cactus soil. So we're gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you what's going on, okay. This is what's going on. You see, it's very, 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 very heavy, and it's very, very heavy, and it's just sandy, okay. This is the cactus soils from Lowe's Home Depot. And the plant, this poor little plant, it's okay. It's okay. But it's kind of struggling. The calyx is not how I want it to be. I wish the calyx was twice bigger for the age of the plant, but it's not, okay? So this is the heavy cactus soil, okay? This one, I planted about the same time, but this one has a different type of mix. There is the pine bark mini nuggets, 80%, and has this stuff over here. This is the pine bark mini nuggets. You can see, look at that, pine bark mini nuggets, and 20% PMAS plus our Asmoco slow release 1414. Okay, so let's get it out of the pot and see what happened. It's very easy to get out of the pot, first of all. Okay, and this is what happened. You see this? So you tell me, which what mix do you put your desert roses? What mix to use? The new mix or the old mix? At one time, the cactus soil from Home Depot and Lowe's, the Miracle Grow used to be real lightweight. I remember 10 years ago. You go grab a bag, it was like PMAS almost, lightweight. But now it's very extremely heavy. Look at this, okay? This is like a sun, okay? So you see the difference? Beautiful calyx. This is this stuff. You see that? So what you need to use for your plants, look at that. I squeeze it, look at this. Doesn't weigh anything. So what you need to use for your plants is, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, we're gonna use this for part. Okay, so this is it. So this is what you need, everybody. But please, hold on. I don't want everybody to go and take their plants out and start repairing them, because it doesn't work that way. Some of the states are very cold right now, and you don't want to do that. Like 40, 47, you don't want to do that. Okay? If the plants in the garage still is cold. If you are in the 70s, 80s, it's okay to do it. But if you're below 60s, 70s, please don't. Okay? Wait until next time for your plant to be repaired to use the right mix. So what you do, you're gonna use 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is my 8 parts, okay? The next thing you're gonna use is the PMAS. This one I purchased at Lowe's because that's the cheapest. The cheapest you can find it. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. Cheaper, Lowe's. So this 8 to 2. There is the same thing, 80% to 20%. So 8 to 2. 1 and 2. Okay, there you go. So now what we do is we're gonna mix it up real good. Just mix it up. Mix it up real good. This is flour. You need it. I like to play with the soil. It's the best. It's like therapy for me. If it were for me, I will play with the soil all day. So this is it, okay? This is the mix you need. You see this? See that? There's no way you can get it together, because what it is says this. Listen, this comes from, very hard to find for everybody. Very hard. Comes from Atlanta, Georgia, okay? And it's what it is. Is 50% forest produce. Looks to me like they go to the forest and collect brush and things like that, and it's 50% of that, and 50% of pine bark. So those two together, that's what it says. That's what it says. And this is very, very light, and this is what I've been looking forever. This stuff over here. See how nice and soft and light? And they just bark. They just bark. Look at this. So I really like this stuff, and that's what's doing. That's what this stuff is doing. These things. The same age, capture soil, the pine bark minimis. That's why I tell everybody it's very, very, very important. Next time, not right now, when you repot your desert rosas, that's what we're gonna be using, okay? So that's what we're gonna be using for them. Oops, sorry. That's what we're gonna be using to repot desert rosas. And also don't forget, we need to use the Osmocote 1414 and slow release. If you want it to bloom, you need to use the phosphorus, okay? And that's for blooming. So what we're gonna do in here, I'm gonna repot these two little babies over here, okay? These are in the wrong soil. So think about me having maybe, I'm not gonna exaggerate, but I can say I have like maybe 5,000 plants right now, and I'm gonna do them all one by one with the new soil. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm gonna take my time and get organized and do a little bit at a time. So this is, oh my goodness, this is the old soil. You see that? The old soil. This is not good for my baby. This is not good for my little baby. Okay? So, and this one too. This is not good for my baby. Oh my goodness. This mix is not good for my baby. So what I'm gonna do, just like this, gently. Okay? So this is good. Nothing goes to waste in here, okay? Don't think I'm gonna throw this topsoil away. I have an empty property across the street. I have a lot of low spots that I'm gonna put all this stuff and just recycling, okay? Everything recycling. So what you do here, you're gonna do this. Look at this. Not putting any pressure on anything. Just put some the baby ready like this. This baby ready. Okay, and then this one over here. Over here. And then you put this little baby here. Just make sure the roots are okay. We're gonna just gentle. You see the difference between using capture soil and using the right stuff here. So what we're gonna do with this is you see my two little babies. My two little fat babies, I call them. Okay, what we do next? Come with me. Let's go. So what we do next with my cute little babies over here, my two little fat babies, I'm gonna put the Osmocote. After I put the Osmocote, I don't have it here, but I'm gonna put the Osmocote roll release, and I guarantee you, they have the room to breathe and get bigger and get big caddis if they wanted to, without choking in the capture soil. Okay. So I'm gonna make sure the water's not cold. That's good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put water in both. I'm gonna water them. And the thing is, when you see this, you're gonna see how quick the water start coming out on the bottom. The water just goes right through to this baby. Okay. You see that? The water's already coming out. Why? Because it's draining quick. If I was using, y guarantee you, if I was using this heavy soil over here and this ceiling, I can put water in here. I can put water here for 5 minutes and will take a long time before it goes down. Okay? This one, the soil over here in this baby, is just raining already. See that? This one, not yet. If we dig, if you dig, look at that. If you dig in here, this is the bad stuff. The good stuff, but anyway, I can. You see this baby? See that? Still dry. Still dry. Will take forever to get in. What this is doing, this is like shocking like this, and the baby cannot breathe. So she needs something gentle like this to just breathe and grow how she's supposed to grow. So we're gonna replant it in the right soil, and now what we're gonna do is I'm sorry for being wasteful with my water. Anyway, I'm supposed to be recycling my water. So these two are ready to go. Okay, now remember, after you plant your babies, they need 2 weeks of rest, where they're gonna go in the shade for 2 weeks. Doesn't matter how heavy they are, you gotta take them somewhere in the heat, under the tree, under the patio, for 2 weeks to get rest. After 2 weeks, you can go ahead and place them in the sun. Okay? And you will see the difference between the soils. Okay? So the only other thing I need to tell you, I need to talk to Olga. She's a new subscriber. Hey Olga, please text me your address, 941-457-1172, and that's 941-457-1172. I'm gonna send you this little baby to take care. You're gonna have to take care of this little baby. You're gonna have to put a new pot, and I might send you a little soil and a new pot, but you gotta take care of this little baby. So send me your address, and I'm gonna send you a little box with goodies. Okay? And until next time, thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you guys understand. When I learn something, I just gotta make the changes for all of us to improve our desert roses. Okay? So we don't wanna be stuck behind in things happening where we can improve our desert roses, and we're not doing it. I think we're gonna be 30 years from now still learning about these babies. But we get it. Bye bye from Maria's Garden. Bye bye everybody.